for the last 2 weeks, we've been up on Ex Bala Paratus, which is testing my works group at length away from their barracks and in all the disciplines that I require them to use on operations. We brought up around 100 people and we came from Chetwynd Barracks in Nottingham, and we deliberately did it as a road move with the support from the Royal Military Police, so that we tested our ability to deploy into a theatre and drive along the roads. We picked Scotland partly because of the distance, and it would make sure that we tested our ability to do a long road move. But in addition to that, Scotland has got some excellent training areas and some good base locations with some infrastructure, which is what we need to train on. So the first place that we went to was Barry Budden training area, and we deliberately chose Barry Budden because of the environment where we could get the guys doing some soldier first training, get into some battlecraft syllabus and really work those basic techniques on the soldiering side. After that, after the first week, we've then moved into a second phase, which is more technical, and we've deployed to a variety of locations across North East Scotland.
I've had a briefing this morning on the water group, so we've been looking at the activities they've been carrying out over the last fortnight. A lot of this has been recce's to find out where there are water resources and how they could be used for perhaps a theatre entry task or a humanitarian task. I've also seen that they've been doing some real practical things as well to help people. I've seen them construct a cairn to put a plaque on, and on the water theme, find a really difficult leak here on the RAF station at Lucas. They've found that, they've repaired it, and that's going to save somebody quite a lot of money, I should imagine. So I am a retired Major General, but slightly more importantly perhaps, I'm a Lieutenant Colonel in a thing called the Engineer and Logistics Staff Corps, which is an organisation that exists to help the Royal Engineers with civilian input, technical input on engineering matters. I'm actually the liaison officer between the Staff Corps and 66 Works Group. So I've come up today to have a look at their exercise, to see the kinds of things they're doing, so that I can really understand what it is that they do and how we can help. I've been impressed with two things. I mean, one is the technical depth that we have here. We've got a whole variety of trades, the knowledge that they have about water resources, and we've got trades like electricians and metalsmiths and so on. The full shooting match can come together. And also, you know, the ingenuity and the initiative that they've used to deal with some of the tasks, I think is first class. I will be speaking to other members of the Staff Corps who are working in fields related to the 66 Works Group, letting them know what goes on. And I think probably by the time I've done that, they'll want to come up here and have a look for themselves.